This is the 13th lecture of correct use of tenses. Today we will learn sequence of tenses. Means order in which tenses are used in a sentence. The first one is a present or future tense in the principal clause may be followed by any tense in the subordinate clause. Means he says this is present, that the climate of this place does not suit him. Present followed by the present. He knows that we shall call on him today. Present followed by future. He says that he was ill. Present followed by past. He will say that he is ill. Future followed by present. I shall say that you will be a good boy. Future followed by a future. We will explain these things in narration in our forthcoming lectures more. Now, if a past tense is in the principal clause, it should be followed by a past tense in the subordinate clause. If there is a past tense in the principal clause, he said that he would help me. Past should be followed by a past. Said is followed by would. He said that he had been reading for 2 hours. Said past had been past. She worked hard so that she might pass. Worked is past and might is past. So past should always be followed by a past in the subordinate clause. If a past tense in the principal clause is followed by a present tense in the subordinate clause, past tense can also be followed by a present tense in the subordinate clause if there is a universal truth in the subordinate clause. He said that honesty is the best policy. Honesty is the best policy. It's present. Said is past. But this honesty is the best policy is a universal truth. We cannot change it into past. We cannot say honesty was the best policy. Honesty is the best policy and it will remain so everywhere in coming times or whatever the situation is. He said that uneasy lies the head that wears a crown. Said is past, lies is present, wears is a present. So this past is followed by present tense only when there is a universal truth in the subordinate clause. There is only one situation where a past can follow by a present tense when there is a universal truth in the subordinate clause. If a past tense in the principal clause is joined by then or as well as two conjunctions, then or as well as, it may follow by any tense in the subordinate clause. So, rule 1, if there is universal truth, past tense can be followed by a present tense. Second, if it is joined by then or as well as, subordinate clause may have any tense. He liked me more than he likes his brother. Liked, past, likes, present, and conjunction then is used. So, past tense is followed by a present. He liked you as well as he likes his brother. Liked is past, likes is present, but we have used as well as, so it can follow a present tense. There are two situations when we can use present or any tense in the subordinate clause: when there is a universal truth or when we use conjunction than or as well as. Thank you very much for watching. Keep watching and don't forget to subscribe YouTube channel for more on grammar.